Hi, my name is Rob Dodsworth and I'm with Citagenix. Pearl number 5. You have to sharpen your instruments frequently, you have to replenish on a regular basis, and you have to lubricate often. So as far as sharpening goes, again, I mentioned you'll have to use an Arkansas fine grinding stone lubricated with the proper oil, do a 3-step sharpening process, find the bevel of the blade and sharpen accordingly. Replenish by using a surgical milk bath. A surgical milk bath is a solution you mix 1 part to 5 parts distilled water. Fully immerse your instruments in there. It will replenish the stainless steel coating of the instruments through oxidation. It will also help removing all the gunk that accumulates in the hinges and things of that nature. The last bit there, the lubrication. Use a proper lubricating oil from your supplier. Don't use a 3-in-1 oil that you might get from your hardware store. It will not handle the high heat of a sterilizer.